Hello everyone. So today let us learn how to balance a redox equation by oxidation number method. I'll take an example. Balance the below molecular reaction by oxidation number method. So in the question they have clearly mentioned that we need to balance the equation by oxidation number method. See, we can balance the redox equation by different methods like ion electron method, then oxidation number method. So like that. So they're specifying that use the oxidation number method. What are the four rules which you have learned? So we have already learned that find the oxidation number of the central atom. First is oxidation number of central atom. Find the oxidation number of central atom. I'll just quickly tell you central atom. Then this most of you will forget, that is balance the central atom. Balance the central atom on both the sides. Central atom on both the sides. Both the sides. Then third one, balance the number of electron. Balance the number of electron during what? Oxidation reduction. During oxidation and reduction. Lastly, we need to balance the remaining atoms. Remaining atoms should be balanced. Should be balanced. Balanced based on the medium. Based on the medium. What do you mean by based on the medium? It means that whether the reaction is conducted in acidic medium or basic medium. If it is conducted in acidic medium, we need to make use of H plus and H2O. If it is basic medium, then make use of OH minus and H plus. I'll specify that. So these are the four important points one must remember. Then let us write the equation, that is S plus HNO3 giving raise to SO2 plus NO2 plus H2O. So these are the things given. Now how to find out the medium? Sometimes they'll give you the reaction is carried out in acidic medium or basic medium. Otherwise, we need to identify. How do I identify it? See, sulfur is reacting with HNO3. HNO3 is an acid. Therefore, the reaction is conducted in acidic medium. Acidic medium. When we make use of acidic medium, balance the remaining atom using H plus and H2. Whether it's on the reactant side or the product side, it depends on the balancing. Yeah. The first step is find the central atom. Sulfur is the central atom, so its oxidation number is 0. Sulfur is in elemental form, therefore it is a 0 oxidation state. In HNO3, nitrogen is the central atom. Find the oxidation number of it quickly. I think you're already familiar with it. So HNO3, hydrogen is in +1 oxidation state, one nitrogen, therefore X plus there are 3 oxygen minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore X is equal to plus 5. Plus 5. Whatever I am writing X is equal to plus 5, this is for each atom. This is also most important. Each atom. Therefore, for one nitrogen atom, the oxidation number will be plus 5. Similarly, in SO2, sulfur is a central atom again. Its oxidation state is plus 4. This is also plus 4. Similarly, you can find out using the same method, plus 4. And we need not consider on H2O because it's a byproduct. Now, Find the element which is undergoing oxidation and reduction. So sulfur was in 0. Now it is getting converted into what? Sulfur dioxide. Therefore, 0 to +1 is +4 is increase in oxidation number. Increase in oxidation number is nothing but oxidation. That is one of the definition of oxidation. And also you find out how many electrons are changing. 0 to +4. Therefore, it is 4 electron change. 4 electron change. Similarly, if I consider HNO3, HNO3 was in +5 oxidation state. Now it is getting converted into +4. +5 to +4 is decrease in oxidation number. Decrease in oxidation number, we call it as reduction. Reduction. From +5 to +4, only 1 electron change. So we found out the element which is undergoing oxidation and reduction, and also its the central atom and the number of electron change. What's the second rule? Second rule is balance the central atom on both the sides. So simple here, one sulfur here, one sulfur. No need to multiply by any number. One nitrogen and one nitrogen. So here also no change. Now in any redox reaction, number of electron during oxidation and reduction should be same. 4 electrons have been lost. Therefore, there must be 4 electron gained. So, but in the equation, it's saying it is plus only 1 electron. How do I balance it? Simple. Wherever nitrogen is there, you multiply by 4 so that the number of electron gets balanced. So, it is 4 electron. I'll rewrite the equation now. Sulfur plus, as I mentioned earlier, multiply 4 now. So, 4 into 4 HNO3 giving raised to SO2, then 4 NO2 plus H2O as it is, alright. Now I have already balanced sulfur and nitrogen. On both the sides, we are left with hydrogen and oxygen. I'll start with hydrogen. So 4 hydrogen atoms are there, only 2 hydrogen. So what should I do? I'll multiply by 2. So therefore here also 4 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen. Now at last oxygen. Oxygen is how much? 4 threes are 12 oxygen atoms are there. 12 oxygen. Now here it is 2 plus 4 twos are 8 plus here also it will be 2. How much it is? Totally 12. 12 oxygen. So here also 12 oxygen, here also 12 oxygen atoms. Therefore, all the elements are getting balanced. So this is how we can balance the equation by oxidation number method. I hope it is clear. Enjoy. Thank you.